Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you to PMDC online lecture room. I am Nargis and today the topic of our lecture is grammar. We are going to discuss tenses. This lecture contains present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Present continuous tense. The present continuous, also called present progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now, either at the moment of speech or now in a larger sense. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. Now let me explain with the help of some examples. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. Read on for detailed descriptions, examples and present continuous exercises. Present continuous form. The present continuous is formed using am, is, are plus present participle. Questions are indicated by inverting the subject and am, is, are. Negatives are made with not. Examples are statement, you are watching TV. Question, are you watching TV? Negative is, you are not watching TV. Forming the present continuous. The present continuous of any verb is composed of two parts. The present tense of the verb to be, the present participle of the main verb. Examples of the present continuous tense. She is crying. He is talking to his friend. The baby is sleeping in his crib. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. Is plus ing. Again, is plus ing. Then the baby is sleeping. Is plus ing. We are plus visiting ing. Now, let's discuss past continuous tense. The sun was shining every day that summer. The past continuous is with was and were. As I spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. The audience was applauding until he fell off the stage. Was applauding. I was making dinner when she arrived. At 6 o'clock, I was eating dinner. She was talking constantly in class in those days. At noon, he was arriving. One example of this tense is, I was watching television when she called me last night. So, I was watching television. Was plus ing. The past continuous tense is was watching. Another example of this tense is, we were playing football when he sprained his wrist last week. The past continuous tense is were playing. The past continuous of any verb is composed of two parts. The past tense of the verb to be, was and were, and the base of the main verb ing. It was all about past continuous tense. Now let's switch over to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to express an ongoing or continued action which will occur at some time in the future. And that's why it is called future continuous tense. It expresses future action having an ongoing nature that is expected to start in future and continue for a period of time in future. This tense is also called future progressive tense because it happens in future. So, ing with will. The simple example, the simple future tense is a verb tense that is used when an action is expected to occur in the future and be completed. For example, let's suppose you have a meeting tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Will be meeting is the future continuous tense of the verb to meet. Examples of the present continuous tense are, She is crying. He is talking to his friend. The baby is sleeping in his crib. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. Exercise on future progressive. At midnight we sleep. The time next week we sit at the beach. At 9 I watch the news. Tonight we cram up for our English test. They dance all night. He not or play all afternoon. I not or work all day. Eat or you at 6. It was all about present continuous, past continuous and future continuous tense. If you are having any question or problem, you feel free to ask. Thank you very much.